Hi everyone, I'm Zhonghan and welcome to ZaTaYaYummy. Today I'm going to show you guys 3 different recipes with the Tefal bread maker. Do you know you can actually make so many things other than just bread itself with a bread maker? In this video, I'll be sharing with you guys 3 different recipes. The first one got to be a bread recipe, so we are making pumpkin carrot bread. Then I'll show you guys how you can use the Tefal bread maker to make Chinese Scallion pancake dough. Lastly, I'll finish it out by showing you guys how you can make your own Labneh, which is the type of cheese that's made from yogurt. That means I'm going to show you guys how you can make your own yogurt and cheese with this machine. Then, we'll plate it up in a cheese platter with some garnishing to serve. So let's get started. To make the pumpkin carrot bread, you will only need the following ingredients. To start, steam pumpkin until soft and blend together with carrot juice. I'm just using store-bought carrot juice today. Put all of the ingredients into the bread maker, starting from the wet ingredients. Pumpkin carrot juice, an egg, milk powder, sugar, bread flour, yeast, and salted butter. Set to menu 7, sweet bread, weighing 500 grams, with the crust set to light setting to start the machine. The machine will start to operate and knead the dough. Let the machine run until the timer indicator reaches around 2 hours and 40 minutes. The machine will give a light beep sound which indicates to us that it is time to add our melon seeds. Now, the next step is optional, but I highly recommend you to do this as it will help the overall bread to rise nicely later. When the timer indicator reaches around 1 hour and 25 minutes mark, take out your bread dough and also the machine dough hook. Quickly press the dough onto a clean surface to remove all of the air bubbles. Shape it into a nice smooth ball, then carefully put the dough back into the pan and let the dough proof for another 40 minutes. For that perfect look, brush some egg wash and sprinkle the melon seeds. Let the machine run its thing until it finishes the setting. If you are baking it in the oven, I recommend using 450 grams of bread tin and baking in the oven at 180 degrees for about 35 to 40 minutes. Once baked, remove the bread from the tin immediately and let it cool on a wire rack while you brush some of the melted butter over the top for a nice shiny finish. And there you have it! This is how you made the pumpkin carrot bread with the Tefal bread maker. It is so soft and fluffy, you can already see the winkles. Just slice it up and serve. The bread is great to eat on its own because it's quite flavorful already. But you also can make it into French toast for the extra special Sunday brunch. Moving forward, let's make our Scallion Pancakes, which is also known as Cong You Bing. You'll need the following ingredients. In your Tefal bread maker, add in plain flour, hot water, room temp water, and salt. By using some hot water, it will help the dough to be more elastic. Set the machine to menu trough, pasta, to knead the dough for 15 minutes. Then, let the dough rest for 30 minutes while we make our roll. Combine plain flour and oil in a mixing bowl. this point, you may want to flavor it with some salt and sugar, then set aside. Chop up some scallions. You may need quite a lot for this recipe depending on how much you want to put in each pancake. Divide the dough into 10, each weighing about 80 grams. Then roll them into balls. Layer the dough, oil the surface of your countertop and your rolling pin with some vegetable oil. Roll out as thinly as possible until you can almost see through the dough. Then brush the surface with some of the roll you made earlier. Sprinkle some scallions over.
Now I've added way too much scallion for just one pancake. Don't be greedy like me, and I didn't have enough for the rest of the dough. Anyway, just add however much scallion you want to each of your dough.
Roll the dough into a log. Then roll the log into a ball, making sure that the ends are well tucked under. Lightly press down the dough and set aside. Prepare 2 pieces of plastic or parchment paper that you have been greased with some oil. Place one of the pancake dough that you made earlier and roll out your dough. Since you'll be eating it later, roll out to the thickness that you prefer, whether it is thick or thin. At this point, you may want to freeze your dough and use it whenever you want, or you could heat up your frying pan with some vegetable oil on medium heat and transfer the dough onto the pan. Let the pan sizzle until your dough starts to turn a little bit translucent before turning over the dough to cook the other side. Pan fry until both sides are golden brown and serve.
So this is how you make Chinese scallion pancakes. They are nicely layered and stretchy. Next, I'm going to show you how you can use the Tefal bread maker to make Labneh, a cheese that's made from yogurt. You will only need 2 ingredients.
To make your very own yogurt using the Tefal bread maker, remove the cheese strainer that comes with the yogurt pot. Then, simply combine full cream milk and some unsweetened yogurt into the machine. These accessories are included in the machine when you purchase it. Cover the container with the lid and set Menu 18 yogurt and let it ferment for 8 hours. After 8 hours, prepare a bowl, strainer and 2 pieces of cheesecloth. Remove the pot from the container. You will see that your mixture has turned into a beautiful set yogurt.
Now at this point, if you want, you can flavor the mixture with some salt, but I'm just going to keep things simple by skipping that.
Pour the yogurt into the cheesecloth and let it strain for at least 24 hours. If not, a few days would be better depending on how thick you want your cheese to be. Remember to drain any excess liquid at the bottom from time to time. After a few days, give the cheese a squeeze to remove any excess liquid on the surface, and there you have it, Labneh cheese.
This is how you make Labneh cheese. It's creamy and tangy. You can use it like how you would use with cream cheese or even goat cheese. Or you can just simply serve in a cheese platter as an appetizer with some crackers. It's so good! Anyway, thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoy watching this video. Remember to subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram and TikTok at ZaTaYaYummy, and check out my Printable page at www.thezonghan.com. I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye!